Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to clear cache on MetaMask for PC or for your laptop via the Google Chrome extension. Now, why would people want to clear cache on their MetaMask? It's for the most part when it comes to degrading performance issues, right? If MetaMask is lagging or MetaMask is not operating or functioning the normal way or the proper way, right? So to do this, you need to have MetaMask installed on your Google Chrome via the Chrome store. And once you have downloaded that, you are going to log into your account. Very straightforward. You need to have your password and just click on the MetaMask icon over here. If you have pinned it, it's going to slide from the right side. So this is going to be what it's going to look like. Now, once you have this open, you want to click on the upper right corner. There is 3 lines, or the hamburger icon as they call it. So click that. Another slide will appear and you want to click on settings under help and settings, right? Click settings. And then afterwards, go to the very bottom. It says more. There is an option that says developer tools. And you might be wondering, why do I need to go through developer tools? I'm a beginner. Well, this is for developer tools is pretty much for advanced users. But if you want to clear your cache, this is the trajectory of our route to clearing things up, right? So click developer tools. Don't worry, it's not hard, right? All you need to do is click on delete activity and nonce data. So this resets the account's nonce and erases data from the activity tab in your wallet. Only the current account and network will be affected, your balances and incoming. So pretty much everything, your transactions, everything will not be affected, right? So click delete. Now everything's set. If you want, you can actually like remove it if you want, or close it and then just log in again and you should be good. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.